Hey, what's going on? I'll tell you what's going on. This is Stay Outside and Explore. It is raining. April Fool's Day, Monday, April 1st. It's raining. But guess what? Old Man Winter has something up his sleeve that wants to drop 3 to 6 inches of snow on us tomorrow and into Wednesday. Take a look at this. Can you read that? 3 to 6 here and 3 down there. It's not an April Fool's joke, people. It's 3 to 6 inches. That's what they're saying. And I know the last time I posted a video on the snow, it did snow, but then by the end of the day it melted. So we'll see how this one goes. And you know, I got the snowplow ready to rock and roll, and we'll see. So yeah, it'll be interesting. I'm telling you, interesting. Like I said, April 1st, and we're still gonna get some snow. Gonna drive the robins crazy. That's what the temperature is outside. It's not 64 in here, it's like 65. We always keep it cool, but it's 37. So it's gotta drop a couple more degrees for it to snow. Could happen tonight or in tomorrow. All right, what we're gonna make for supper is stuffed pork chops, homemade stuffed pork chops. So what I ended up doing was taking a pork tenderloin and dividing it up into how many parts, I don't even remember. So what you want to do is you want to cut like a little pocket in there, as deep as you want, almost like you're going to fillet them. Pretty good there. And you want to stuff it with the stuffing that I have here. And what it was is just the stuffing you can get in the store. And then I just added a little warm water and butter to it and a little more seasoning, because I mean there's seasoning in here. And then I just put it in a pan like that. And you want to do the next one like that too. So this will be for me and my wife. And then we're going to have a salad on top of that. And this will be good. I've done this plenty of times. And it just so happens when I went to go get the salad ingredients today at the store, I looked and they had stuffed pork chops there. And I want to say it was, for 2 pork chops, was like $8, 8 something. Now I know I got these pork chops for, or the pork tenderloin, I want to say for like $1.99 a pound. So I want to say maybe $17. And I have a little extra stuffing, so I'll just put that in there. I made a little too much, but that's okay. So yeah, make your own homemade stuffed pork chops. Like I said, the store hat was $8, and the bag, what's the bag cost? Maybe $2.50. You'll be able to make several of them. You know, at first the cost might be a little, you know, like say $17, $18 for a pork loin, but then you got to figure it out. I think it comes out to almost like $1 a pork chop. With this, I mean, you're looking at maybe $4 or $5, you know, for the whole meal. Where go to the store, it's $8 or more. I'm not even sure if it's even that much for it's probably two, probably $3 to make this, and then $8 and some cents to make it at the store. So, yeah, it's going to be really good. Can't wait to make it. I'll put it in the oven at 350, and we'll see how it is. Snow is falling. April 2nd. Thought it was supposed to be springtime. Yeah, even the dog is barking. What kind of weather is this? Still snowing at 5:30 in the morning. Looks like we got maybe about 4 inches. Still snowing. Trees look pretty. On my way to work. There we go. The roads aren't too bad. There's a plow up ahead there. So about 4 inches I think we got. Probably another 1 to 3 coming down. Well, here it is after the storm, and now you guys are probably thinking I just did a video about this about 2 weeks ago with the same thing. We had all this snow, and then by the time I come home, driveway's pretty much cleared off. So I just got a little bit here that I'm gonna take care of, and at the end of the driveway so it doesn't freeze up. So yeah, lucked out again. The neighbor over there this morning was blowing out his driveway, and I don't have to do much here. Great. I like this kind of shoveling. Tight squeeze. Here we got no snow. Like a little kid. All right, perfect planning. Let's get it out of. Turn the gas off. All right. That's it for my plowing. Nice. All right. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Appreciate it. And I will have some more videos coming out probably in the next couple days. Thanks for watching.